Hi guys, happy bonfire night, Rachel Bob here. The moon is, oh, the moon was out and lovely, now it's just gone behind a cloud. What did you do? It's probably just smoke, to be honest, because there's that many bonfires and fireworks going on right now. It's a bit cray-cray. We're heading up to Sewerby, same place we went last year for one of them. The one that we went to last year, not on the same night. That's just dirty. And the one that we went to of the other one we went to, it's not on this year. Also just wanted to mention that yesterday we saw a squirrel doing a really crazy thing, and we didn't know it was a squirrel until we saw it was a squirrel, and this is a video from yesterday. What the hell is that squirrel doing? What's it looking at?
It's another one.
I don't even know squirrels made noises. Good moon.
It's gone again.
I can't see it on
It keeps
the...
going behind the cloud, it's gone now.
Well, will it come out again?
Where could that be coming from? Is it like an aircraft coming down or something?
Come out.
Just keep walking.
I saw something really odd out to sea. I don't know if anyone can tell me what it was. It's like, tried to film it but I wasn't quick enough. We saw it twice and it was like in the air, very high up, just below the clouds. And it was like, at first you were thinking, oh maybe that's a Chinese lantern. It was like kind of orange. And then it kind of blurred into like a really long, like if you took a really bad picture of a Chinese lantern and you moved the camera like left and it blurred. It was like that. It kind of just appeared like a caterpillar, then it just disappeared.
It was moving slow as well.
And then it came back again, did the same thing, and then just disappeared again. And we're not sure if it's gone behind the cloud or if it will never come back. If you can let me know what that was, please do, because as it stands, it is an unidentified floating object. Floating, flying, flobbling object. I think they've got Yorkshire Coast ready.
What are we counting down for?
Steady.
Mm-hmm.
You see him going off all over the place. Walking back now, it's absolutely freezing, and we've been on the cliff top. It's quite busy. There's still some fireworks going off around us in various places. That was really nice. It was a bit busy. It was much busier than last year, and stop it, Ryan. And Ryan, I can't concentrate as it is.
Carry on.
My hands will drop off because it's so cold. No, because I can't vlog with them. My touchscreen gloves died last year. So, what was I saying? We need to go and try and identify the fiery snake in the sky that we saw on the way there. I'm going to Google fiery snake and turn on safe search.
Yeah. Oh my god!
That's a train. I love it when you can see them. Once when I was on, because I think that's the nicest part of the train around here, you can actually see the sea when you go past Sewerby on the train on the way to Scarborough. And once I saw a water spout out at sea and it was very lovely. Anyway, nobody died, so that's good. It was really busy is what I'm trying to say. When we were inside we got a hot dog, Ryan got a burger. Sausage dog as they called it. Hopefully it wasn't. And then it was so busy, we just thought, well, we'll go around to the side on the cliff top rather than actually be in the pub grounds. So we made a donation, we bought a sausage dog whatever and went round to the outside and watched it, whereas it was still busy but a bit more comfortable. I can't actually feel my fingers anymore, so I'm gonna go. Thank you for watching. If you've been to a bonfire night, I hope it was fun, and I'll see you tomorrow.